Is Cielo Waste Solutions Corp stock a buy? Cielo Waste Solutions closed the session of the 26th of March 2021 at $0.7956, a 15.51% increase, and on a volume of 1 million shares, which is regarded as below average. So it closed up 15%, roughly 16%, but on below average volume. So by some metrics, that's not exactly very wonderful, but that is what happened. We have a position in Cielo Waste. It has a market cap of $260.8 million, 327.769 million shares outstanding. We didn't find any news concerning Cielo Waste. We can see that below it says it appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 447% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It is outperforming the S&P 500 index, so we can see the MACD evidently is below the signal line. That is evidently because the stock itself is trading below its 10-day trend line, so that MACD is tracking the position of the stock relative to that 10-day trend line. In most cases, in some other cases, it's not the case. So we can also see that yes, indeed, the long-term trend line is upward sloping. Evidently, the 250-day as well is, which is the intermediate, is also is upward sloping as well. The 20-day is upward sloping as well, but the 10-day is still very much bearish. So this 15% increase has not yet affected that 10-day trend line. So momentum for Cielo Waste is strongly bearish, as we evidently saw. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The volume for that day, between 6th of March, was heavier than usual, trading 1.011 million shares versus an average of 466,665 shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term accumulation has given way to near term selling pressure by traders, but that is based on what has happened over up to 14 trading sessions. So going on, we can see that yes, well, given the fact that it has risen 15% today, and it's I think it has coincided with the 10-day trend line. The 10-day trend line is at $0.81, so it's okay, just slightly below that 10-day trend line. So what can we say? It's, even though it's correcting, it's still regarded as correcting, going by what it traded over the last 10 trading sessions. So, well, cautiously I can still say yes, it's probably a buy. Things are improving a bit. The fundamentals are not questionable. So yeah, by all means, if you want to get in and increase your positions, yes, by all means do so. So let's go ahead and see what happened over that session. During that session, you can see yes, we can evidently see how it all happened. This is where it began and moved sideways for a bit and extended up to 0.81. At that point, it's reached its 10-day trend line, but retraced and moved sideways very much. So all in all, I think Cielo Waste is definitely a buy based on the fundamentals, and it's still trading at penny stock levels, penny price levels. So by all means, get involved. And currently it is still very much subdued, not trading at premiums to its trend line, still trading below its trend line. So by all means, get involved and increase your positions or open up positions. So yeah, it's definitely a buy. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.